In this tutorial, we are going to learn about while loops in JavaScript. Basically, while loop will be used if you want to execute a block of code repeatedly. So as long as the condition is true, the while loop is going to be executed. Let me show you this example. So here I have an array. There are some fruits there. What if I want to print all the elements in that array? It's simple. With the help of while loop, we can loop through all the elements in this array so that we can print everything in this particular array. Let me show you. I'm going to create a variable I is equals to 0. So here I'm going to use the while loop. As I said, the while loop will execute a block of code repeatedly as long as the condition is true. So here is the condition. I'm going to say this I, if it is less than this fruits dot length, then this condition is going to be executed. So in that case, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to print, let me say document dot write. So inside what I'm going to print them is fruits. I want to print the elements from every index. So let me say I just want to add some break in between so that I can print the elements in the array into the next line. So here I'm just going to include the break tag. Finally, I'm just going to increment the I value. So this loop is going to be executed as long as the fruits length less than the I value. So let me save and run so that you will see. So you can see that every element in the array has been printed. So here this fruits dot length is nothing but the length of the array. So here initially the length of the array is 4. So the I value will initially 0. So when it comes to 0, it's going to print the 0th index, first index, second index, third index. When the I value becomes 4, the condition would fail. Then this while loop will stop executing this block of code. So this is how while loop will work in JavaScript. The next one is do while loop. So in the do while loop, whatever that you put in the do part is going to be executed without any condition. After that, we are going to check the condition with the while. Let me show you this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to modify this part. So here I'm just going to cut this part, the while part. Let me cut them. So I'm going to put them here with a semicolon at the end. So here I'm just going to add do. So what does that mean? When the control moves to the do, is going to print the fruits. Like what is the first fruit? I is equal to 0. So it's going to print apple. Then I value will be incremented. I value will be 1 here. So 1 less than fruits dot length. Yes, it is true. Then again it will go to the do. Then it's going to print. It's going to keep on printing until this condition will become false. So even if you refresh this one, it's just going to give you the same result. So this is how while and do while loop works in JavaScript. In case if you have any questions, you are free to ask me through comment section. Otherwise, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Beginner's Guide. Thank you.